Good morning everyone. Today we are learning to write a simple sentence using our knowledge of our phonics sounds. Today we're going to read our new story, Nuffle Bunny. Before we do, look at the front cover. Who do you think the main characters are in the story? Yesterday I told you that the story is about a lost toy. But who do you think that lost toy is? And how do you think it gets lost? Have a little chat with your grown-up about these questions. Before we begin reading the story, it's important to let you know that some of the words in this book are a little unusual. You might not have heard of them before. That is because Nuffle Bunny is set in New York, which is in America, and so some of the words are a little bit different to what we say in England. For example, in America, block means road, and laundromat is a place where you can go to do your washing. So when you want to wash your clothes and make them nice and clean, you might visit the laundromat. Click the link below to listen to the story. Pause the story when we get to the page which says, "As soon as Trixie's mummy opened the door." I really hope you're enjoying the story so far. Now that you've paused the story where Trixie's mummy has asked where Nuffle Bunny is, I want you to have a little think about what happens next. How do you think Trixie is feeling? And how do you think Mum and Dad are feeling at this point as well? Have a little chat with your grown-up and see what words you can think of to describe their feelings. Whilst sad and happy are both feelings, I'd like you to try and level them. Up-leveling our vocabulary is really important in Year 1 as it helps us to learn lots of new words. Think about what words you might say instead of happy or sad and see if you can write them in a list. It's now time for your independent task. Look at this picture of Trixie. It's your turn to write a sentence about how she is feeling. Remember, when you write a sentence, we must include a capital letter, full stop, and finger spaces.